looking at some top 5 essential extensions or add-ons that you'll be needing in our journey of web development. So the first one, without much ado, is Prettier. Yeah, Prettier. As the name suggests, it's very pretty though. It's the Prettier is very interesting. What it does is that it enforces a consistent style by parsing your code, arranging your code. You see, it allows your code to be presentable, to look pleasing. It formats everything nicely. You don't have to how should I say, like, it organizes everything perfectly for you. That's what the Prettier does. Don't worry about how you're going to download all these extensions. After discussing this, we move into our Vscode and learn about that also. So please don't worry. So the second one we're talking about is the live server. That's a good one there. So the live server displays the progress of your code on a web page instantly. So anytime you save your code, the live server automatically displays the progress of the code you have just executed. So it performs a real life instant display of your code. That's what the live server does. So the third one we'll be looking at is the tab 9. This is a new one. Not really a new one, but I recently found out about this. Sorry. Yeah, I recently found out about this. So this one is a very good one also. So the tab 9 uses AI completion of code. Yeah, it uses AI completion. That's what it uses. So it can even suggest what you should type next. Very interesting, right? Yeah, that's what the tab 9 does. See, sometimes you put something and you forget the property or something. You put a tag and you forget the property, or you put a property and you forget the value or something. Yeah, it can help you out. Tab 9 is very good. So the fourth one is the path intelligence. The path intelligence. So what this does is that it autocompletes file names. Yeah. As you're coding, you may need a file, or you may have to include a file. You don't have to type everything. You just maybe type the first letter of the file and it can automatically suggest it for you. So there you have it. So the last one will have to do with JavaScript. Yeah, JavaScript. So the name is JavaScript ES6 code snippet. Yeah. So this also provides auto completion in JavaScript, as the name suggests. It allows JavaScript coding experience to be better. That's what the JavaScript ES6 code snippet does. So let's move to the Vscode and see how we can access and download all these essential listed extensions. So you open your Vscode. At this point, I assume we've all downloaded our Vscode. Yeah. So you move to the extension section, the last icon. So you click on it. So let's try any of these extensions and see if we can access and install them. Let's try live server. Yeah, this one, live server. So there you have it. Click on it and install from here. Yeah, so in order to activate live server, there's a short key that's out L out O. Yeah, or out O out L, one of them. Yeah. So so you'll be able to be easy. But that's how you'll be able to activate the live server. So that's all for today, and thank you. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be uploading more educative and exciting videos, so watch out. Lots of love. Bye. See you next time. Also, don't forget to leave any comments or any problem you encounter whilst trying to execute all this. We are here to help. Have a nice day. Bye.